This unlikely UGVC clip is scrumptiously brought to you by Liquid X Energy Drinks. Now, this clip probably shouldn't qualify as user-generated at all, as it was obviously done by the strong professionals at the Lonely Island. But, as Jizz in My Pants is a viral sensation with millions and millions of hits already, and still growing, that and the fact that I'm an unapologetic, unabashed fan leaves me inclined to look the other way on this technicality and embrace the genius of this hilarious clip. In case you've been living in a cave somewhere, or if your ISP went out of biz due to the recent economic downturn, Jizz in My Pants is the follow-up from that group that originally brought you the instant classic Dick in a Box. And in this case, the follow-up doesn't miss a beat or a chance to stain your BVDs. Jizz in My Pants is not some oh-so-subtle, unrequited love song. It's direct as well. Christian Bale suggestions to his new DP on the set of the new Terminator movie. It's laugh-out-loud funny and stars the talented trio of Andy Samberg, Justin Timberlake, and Jorma Taccone, with lusty cameos by Dino Hotties Jamie Lynn Sigler and Molly Sims. This combo homage to premature ejaculation and the excoriation of the current pop music scene is more than just worth a click. It's a must-see. If you haven't seen it yet, put your poker back in its pocket and jump on it now. And don't be surprised if this album becomes the scourge of school administrators and religious leaders everywhere once it begins to dominate the ringtone marketplace for millennia to come. All I have left to say is, bravo, Lonely Island, bravo! I give Jizz in My Pants all 5 carnies. Guys, need a wet nap? Send curses or praises to carney@ugvc.tv.